Did you know that you can get paid just by doing searches on Google? Maybe no? Hey, well, let me tell you that yes, there is a way in which you can actually get paid to do what you already do on a daily basis. Because I'm pretty sure that if you have a computer, you have a laptop, you have a cell phone, and you have internet connection, chances are is that you are looking for information on Google all day long. Maybe you want to know to or you want to go to a new and trendy restaurant, so you Google it. Maybe you want to go to the movie or the theater, so you're going to Google it. Maybe you're doing a homework or you're doing a research for something that you just don't know and you're curious and you are Google it. Hey, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And I don't want you to miss a video. Today, I'm going to reveal you a super easy way in which you can actually earn money with Google. There are thousands of people out there who are using the internet and who are looking for information on google.com, but they don't know that they can get paid. They can monetize this simple skill. Everybody knows how to use Google. It's super easy because you just go to the very first website, which is actually google.com, and you're going to type for the information that you're looking for here on the search bar and click here where it says Google search. That's it. It's super simple. The second website that we're going to be using, it's called this one, which is MindSumo. You're going to go to mindsumo.com and you can see that these guys are ready to pay you. They are actually partnered with several companies such as Pepsi, Avon, Delta, Ericsson, Adidas, Facebook, you name it, they are all here. And they are ready to pay you. This is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, you're gonna get paid. By the way, guys, please let me know where you guys are from because I want to make sure that I'm gonna be creating content that it's gonna be helpful for you and it's gonna be available in your area. So leave it in the comment area and let me know where you guys are from. If you're new to this website, which is sumo.com or mindsumo.com, you're gonna click here where it says sign up. Okay, it's gonna ask you like, please provide me your email address and your password, but you don't have an account. So you're gonna click here where it says don't have an account yet. Boom. Okay, so it's gonna ask you for your first name, your last name, your location. Remember, this is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, just put your location, a valid email address, a password, your date of birth, your gender, your creativity skill. Okay, you might be wondering like, wow, I'm not that creative. Okay, just put that you are above average. Okay, the same with marketing skills and the same with technical skills. Okay, let them know what you're interested in MindSumo. It can be like, hey, because I want to share my opinion, because I'm ready to do research. Okay, what type of projects you're involved. You can let them know that, hey, you're open-minded, so you're open for all kind of opportunities. You are ready to do this. Okay, here you're gonna be need to take on the options that you would like. Okay, the three first options, these are just for you to get information via email. You need to click here where it says that you're going to be accepting the terms and conditions. You have read and accept the privacy policies. And the most important thing is this one, that you are not going to copy or do plagiarism. Okay, then you're going to click here where it says I'm a robot and you are going to sign up. That's it. Super simple, super easy. So far we have two websites, google.com and we have mindsumo.com. Both of them are free for you to join. Okay, so if you scroll down, because you're gonna be here on your account, you're gonna see all these opportunities, all these people who are there ready to pay you. You're gonna see these ones which are great, these are completed tests, and you're gonna see open tests. Okay, you're gonna see open tests. These are reviewing. That means that people already submitted on the day, so they are not open right now, but we have these 3 right now. Let me show you some of the tasks that were already completed so you have a better idea of how this works. Okay, for example, we have Reimagine Museums of the Futures. Okay, they are ready to pay 30 people, well, $800 in total, divided into 30 people. They received 172 submissions. As you can see, this website is pretty fresh. It's kind of secret, because if you go to other websites, you're going to see that there is a lot of people putting out information there, and like thousands of people competing. You can see you don't have a lot of competition here. And this was done. They give people 35 days, so even a month. And by the way, guys, if you want to know another secret, at the end of the video, I'm going to be revealing it, because I want to make sure that you are going to be making real and good money online. Okay? You may be wondering, like, Diana, if you already know this secret, why are you sharing it? Hey, because if you share it, more people are going to have the opportunity to make money online. And my commitment with you guys is to share information of how you can actually make real money online. So that's the reason why I'm sharing with you guys this type of information. Okay, so they're asking you, for example, this is the museum, like imagine or picture yourself the museum of the future. Do you like going to the museum? If yes, what kind of museum you would like to see? Actually, history, art, science, and why. If you answer it not, please explain also why. Okay, maybe you don't like it because it's kind of boring, because they're all the same. This is for you to be creative. Okay, how can museum innovate it? How can museum use technology to reach wider global audience than can physically visit a museum? Maybe you're like, okay, maybe you can have a special website in which people can search around. This is going to be like a 3D tour. I'm just making it up. Okay, so here are the people who already won, so you can have like an idea. This is another one. If you like food, like what is the next trendy snacking product? And chances are, like, wow, you're thinking like, these are really good questions, but I really don't have any idea about this. Don't worry, keep watching this video, because I'm going to show you how you can do this without being so creative. Okay, although they give you a lot of time for you to think about this, they're always like shortcuts. Okay, for example, here they have questions like, what factor do you think of while purchasing a snack? Maybe the flavor, the ingredients, it have sugar, it is gluten-free, it is keto, when do you think of snacking? What ingredients are the most important to you? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here they have the question. There is not like a wrong answer, okay, but we want to have the best answer. Okay, and how this is going to work? Okay, we're going to go to Google. We're going to copy what is the next trendy snacking product, and we are going to Google it. Okay, so as you can see, we have 2021. By the time recording this video is 2021, like healthy snacking trends. Wow, there's a lot of information about, trending snacks. These are actual people who are, doing research, and they want to make sure that everything is fine. So these are really, really good articles, okay, and really long articles. Okay, you can take the time to actually rate them, at least 2 or 3. For example, this is really good because this one, it's healthy snacks, right? So you can say like, okay, yeah, I'm looking to have like healthy products. Okay, it can be fresh, it can have less sugar. Okay, and you can remember that you need to avoid the plagiarism. So you need to put your own touch and taste. And by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. So what are we going to do right now? Well, we're going to copy this article and we are going to go to Google Docs. Here on Google Docs, you're going to click here where it says blank page. And here it's, where you are gonna put the articles. If you are like, okay, I really don't like writing, oh my god, it's so time consuming, it's so boring, I really don't like that. Don't worry, you can go to tools and you can go to voice typing. So what you can be doing is like, you're gonna be reading like, okay, high protein, the popularity of high protein snacks is another top trend. 51% of the global consumers stating that they switch from traditional snack product like chocolate and blah, blah, blah to this alternative. So you can actually, put your own tools and taste. So here we have high protein. So you can go to tools and you can go here to voice typing and you're gonna click here and it says like, I'm actually looking for snacks that has really high proteins. I really like to be healthy and I know a lot of my friends are looking for this type of snacks, they are actually avoiding chocolates and other type of products. Okay. Well, it's not like boxes but products. So as you can see, I even mentioned comma, I did put the comma. So this is a great way in which you can actually rewrite the content, put your own flow to it, and make money online. Remember guys, in some part of the video, it wasn't at the beginning, I think it was more like at the middle of the video, I told you that I like to reveal secrets, right? So I have another secret for you guys. If you want to earn even more money online, if you want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, if you're ready to fire your boss, if you're ready to live your life in your own terms, I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendations to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep. Okay, there is no skill or technical knowledge required. It is newbie friendly, but this is just for people who are really willing to change their life. They want to live their life in their own terms. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, remember, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.